I'm going to show you how to create an entire concept presentation from scratch using Snaptrude's present mode. I'll start by pulling in my context map. I'll mark the heat gain orientation on the site and the main view lines I want to maintain. Next, I'll pull in my program area sheet with a few design notes in the remarks. Once I have my initial design ready, I'll save this view and pull it into my presentation sheets. I'll switch to bubble diagram view and mark the important adjacencies that directed the design. Going back to my floor plan, I'll add furniture to complete the internal layouts. I'll pull the concept floor plans into present mode. These will reflect my department groupings while also showing internal layouts. Next, I'll bring in my 3D massing to show an overall concept view. I'll check the sun hours analysis for this form from both the north view and the south view. I'll pull this into present mode and arrange the legend and views on my sheet. Lastly, I'll create a quick concept visualization using AI render. I'll prompt in a description of the building and its surroundings, and use this visual to close the presentation. That's how I quickly put together a concept presentation using Snaptrude's present mode. Interested in trying it out? Request early access on Snaptrude now.